Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas, and we are looking at next in the series of what makes this trade great. And today it is KWEB. So yesterday, many of the China stocks were hit. This is what I call well, you can see it's a China Internet ETF. Okay, so it's kind of a proxy for shorting the China market. So if you don't want to pick a specific stock, you can kind of look at this one. So what happened was, at the beginning of the day, these are the ones that are breaking down on volume, okay? You can see KWEB was right there. But look at the theme. NIO, BEKE, PDD, FUTU, Billy, LI, CPNG, JD, TCOM, GDS. These are all China stocks being beaten up. So, and look on the upside, there was nothing on the upside, even though the market was up at the beginning of the day, not getting anything on the breaking up in volume. But so all those China stocks were just getting beaten up. So I looked at KWEB and I said, you know what, instead of taking one stock or a couple of the China stocks, why not just use this as the proxy for shorting the China market? And that's exactly what it did. What made it great is that it was also an all-time low. I mean, if I look at KWEB, the all-time low, I just want to make sure. Yeah, so I mean, this is a lifetime low. I'm not just talking, I'm talking about a lifetime low. So this is a lifetime low for KWEB. And so I thought, you know what? This is going to make this trade great because I don't have to worry about individual China stock, because sometimes the individual China stocks can kind of pop up and down a little bit. But this is sort of the proxy for shorting the China market. So that is what made this trade great. And I love doing it like this because hopefully it gives you a bit of an insight of how I'm thinking about why I would take a trade like this, why I would single it out. So this is the format I'm going to keep doing for these videos. Oh, want to get back into the room. Lots happening. Here's an email address you can use if you want or you want to ask me any questions. And I'm going to open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. So have a great evening or a great weekend, everybody. And we'll see you Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.